Welcome everyone. Today we've got Battle Armor Skeletor. I always called him Battle Damage Skeletor when I was a kid, so I'm kind of adjusted to not that being incorrect. My memory failing me. Do have another ram staff and his half of what, when he started, it was the original power sword. It looks like I had a dog or a cat or something got a hold of this one because it's a little chewed up on there. But you know, just like the Battle Armor He-Man I had a couple of months back, it was the same sort of deal. You hit him, he does damage, and shows damage as he goes along. It's just a tube in there with the clutch release of some sort. It is hard to get adult fingers to work it out. You know, it's sort of standard details on the back. For some reason, this is one turned out to be the dingiest of all my He-Man characters. I was sort of, it was surprising. They were all stored in the same place, but this one was really sort of filthy. I had to wash him up first. But, you know, standard, same, nothing new, same Skeletor head, face. Maybe it'll focus. I just think it's got too much depth with all this other stuff around it. Yeah, there he goes. You know, the bright green, yellow skull and red eyes. Of course, you know, the original plan for the power sword was they were going to He-Man's power sword and Skeletor's power sword slotted together to make one giant sword that would theoretically open Castle Grayskull. They quickly abandoned that once they started the cartoon. You know, same typical fuzzy britches. His boots did go all the way around rather than stopping at the front like some of them have. Does he have? They have the power? No power punch with the battle armor. He just still spins but doesn't swing back. But that's you know, that was him. His hips are actually in pretty good shape. He's not all loosey-goosey like some of them are, so I'm not going to replace those. I do have to replace Robotos from yesterday, but y'all have seen me do that enough where I'm not going to do it on camera. But anyway, that's all I've really got to say about him. He will be making another appearance tomorrow, and once you see the thumbnail, you'll know why. But anyway, that's him for now. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.